Hi, my name is Dylan, and we're going to learn how to make a graph today. So we're going to highlight the first column here, and then the second column, and we're going to click Insert Chart. We're going to turn it into a scatter plot. So we're going to go over to Series and add in a trend line here, as well as the equation. We're going to move the legend to the top so it looks cleaner. And yeah, that's it. Oh, maybe, possibly. Oh, yeah. So we're gonna go and make the axis titles. So our horizontal axis title is gonna be walking pace and meters per second. Or wait, sorry, height. My bad. Height in centimeters. And then our vertical is gonna be walking pace and meters per second. So we're going to go to horizontal axis and make the minimum 0. And yeah, that's how you make a graph.